Yo, what's up? Today we'll be learning about logarithms. So, logarithms are just another way to write exponents, and you can use them to solve for an unknown exponent, and that's their use, stuff like that. And you can use them in equations. So basically, let's say you have, that's a bad, there we go, log all right. So let's say you have log 2 of 8 equals 3. So basically what that means is that that's really all it means. It's just 2 to the third power equals 8. So, and then with logarithms, it's like the opposite of exponents. Like, for example, this is what I mean. So most of you probably know that, let's say, if you have 2 times 2, and they have an exponent of 4, exponent of x, when you're multiplying the base numbers, the exponent, you just add them. So it would be just 2, 4 plus x. So that is the same thing as that. But with logarithms, let's say it's the same base and you're adding something, you actually can multiply that. So log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of x would just be log 2 4x. So let's say that you have 2, 4 divided by 2 to the x. That is just the same thing as saying 2, 4 minus x. But with logarithms, if it's this right here is the same thing as saying this. So in this, subtraction turns into division, and addition turns into multiplication, and exponent is the opposite. So it's just logarithms, just the opposite. And the last thing with logarithms is that if you have a log of something and it's the same as the base, it's just 1. So think about it. So I said log 2, 1's the exponent, equals 2. That's true. So whenever you see the same base, same right there, it's just 1. And then if you're taking the log of something and that log has an exponent, then that right there is the same thing as like I said, it's like the opposite. So let's say you have an exponent base 2, 4 to the x power. That's literally just the same thing as 2, 4x. See, in exponents become multiplication, and then in logarithms, multiplication becomes exponents. So it's just like opposite thing, just working backwards. It helps you solve stuff. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you need help with specific things, just put it in the comments.